present Kau as well as kind of beauty. Okay, so that's all I want to say.
So this is how we're going to do it. Happy birthday to you.
Can you see? Can you see?
Cookie, Francis, and Miriam. Happy birthday to you. Okay? Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cookie, Francis, and Miriam. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Do we have a mic? Just please.
Yay! Yay!
Thank you, CJ. Thank you, Mary, Francis. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you, Auntie, for acknowledging caterers and make this beautiful cakes. We now will move on to our program. If I could ask Amelia and Lani, if you get ready, I need someone to come to the mic so we can come up to you. Loni. Oh, Loni, Loni, So Amelia and Lani, if you get ready. So following Amelia and Lani, we have our second item is from the Kautau. So I believe it's a crafting treat that Loni father participated. So Kautau group, you're next. And then following that is Haley and Daniel.